Hello everyone, it's your girl Flossie and I want to welcome you all to All Things Flossie. If you have not yet subscribed, please do and turn on your notifications. Today I am making a soup called Wrewre Soup, which is made of melon seeds. Growing up, this soup was made on special occasions like the holidays, Christmas, New Year's Day. It was a bomb. For my ingredient, I'll be using bacon hen. I'm using bacon hen because their meat is much tougher than chickens. I'll be using a can of tomato paste. I have my anise seeds and rosemary seeds. I have some salt, chicken bouillon, and I have my roasted Wrewre seeds. So these are the melon seeds and it came out roasted. I got this from the African store and like I said, it was roasted before. Normally you have to roast it, but I don't have to go through all the trouble anymore. I also have my ginger, I have my garlic, my red onions, I have some fresh tomatoes, and I have my scotch bonnet or habaneros. These are the ingredients I will be using. I also have one large red bell pepper. So I'm starting off by cutting out the Wrewre seeds and spreading it out. I will be taking out all impurities or any foreign materials from it. You could have sand, you could have corn, you could have beans, stones, or even some of the burnt roasted melon seeds. So make sure you go through it all and take out all the foreign materials, all the impurities. Normally these seeds don't come roasted. You have to roast it and be careful you don't burn it if you have to roast it. Because if it's burnt and you put it in your soup, you make it with a soup, your soup is gonna be bitter. You don't want that. But I didn't have to go through that trouble anymore. It was already roasted when I got it. That's a plus. So I am blending my garlic, my onions, my scotch bonnet, and my red bell pepper. And I think I forgot to add my anise seeds and rosemary seeds, so I have added them now. And I am blending them all together. This is what I'm going to use to season my hen. So this is my cut out pieces out of the hen. The hen was big and I didn't use all of it. I ended up using about 3/4 of it. The other quarter I am going to save, but this is what I'll be using right now. I will be seasoning my hen meat with salt. So there's a myth about using salt with Wrewre. I have heard that if you use salt whilst cooking Wrewre, it could be clotted or whatever, but I have never experienced that before. If you have, just share with me. But I haven't, like I said, experienced that before. Now I'm going to add my mixture that I just blended. Here I add my chicken bouillon for some seasoning. Mix it all together. Also, I will be adding my tomato paste. We cover it and let it cook. I'll be cooking this between 15 to 20 minutes. So now I have my Wrewre. I will be blending my Wrewre seeds, that's the melon seeds. I will add some water to it, and the water will be more than the seeds because I want it to blend good. Now you're gonna blend it until it's all smooth. So you don't see no seeds anymore. This is what it comes out of after blending. Isn't that beautiful? Okay, so now I am going to strain this. And I'm going to get the most out of it. Most people use their hand to get out all the liquid from it or the juice from it, but I will be using a spatula. So keep turning, keep going till you don't have any more liquid coming out of it. This used to be a lot of work before, back in the day, when you have to do Wrewre soup. Before we used to pound it, and you realize that, oh, the blender will do the job. So this is much easier. Okay, here's each half, and I feel like I can blend it again to get some more liquid out of it. So I blended it, and I'm going to strain it all out again.
Suspect. Makoma na you ram ball suspect. Be hitting mama tell me boxes. Get the crown team, I go 35 doctors. Oh yeah, media can be the offset. Sure they know what mommy hold the feeling of the zozi. Me for who's a blue jam is runty. Seka my bra boy and pesi anka bomono. Edi chumu wa oni me kobi. There is as I want you. Fully my them a one of my son. Numbers again, I'm all I'm lunching.
So now this is all done. I will not be blending it again. I have gotten enough juice from it. I will just dispose of the chaff. This is what I got from the melon seeds. And before I add it to my soup, I will be straining it again. I'm checking on my hen now, and it smells good. I want my hand meat to have more flavor, and so I will let it cook on again. You know, you want all the good seasoning to enter into the meat. You know what I'm talking about. So now I think I am ready to add my juice from the melon seeds that was blended before and strained. I will be adding it, but like I said, I am going to strain it again before pouring it onto my hand meat. Just be careful when doing this. The Wrewre smells good too. The Wrewre itself, the melon seeds itself smells good. It's a pleasant taste and a pleasant smell. Mix it all together. And now I am adding my onions and my fresh tomatoes to the soup. When this is cooked, we will blend it and pour it and add it back to the soup. Cook this on medium heat. So now I'm adding my basil leaf to it. This is what we called back home akokomesa, and we use this to season chickens, ham, whatever, but I added it to the soup now. It smells so good. So my kids actually came and asked, "Mommy, are you making peanut butter soup?" This is kind of a sister to peanut butter soup. It smells good, it tastes just like it, and I'm telling you, the aroma is filling my home right now. So now my tomatoes and onions are all cooked. It's much softer. So I'm taking them out of the soup. I'm going to blend them, and then I will be pouring the mixture back on into the soup. Now you carefully stir and you cook your soup on low heat. Allow the soup to cook gently by itself. Don't speed the process. My soup is smelling good. It tastes good. My salt and everything is on point. My soup is ready. I hope you try this. This Wrewre soup is everything, and I like my Wrewre soup with ham. You can use any other meat, but I prefer this. I will be having this with fufu. You can have it with rice balls, with omuto, which is the rice balls with rice, with yam, but I chose to have mine with fufu. I hope you enjoyed my video. If you did, please like and share or give this video a thumbs up. If you did not, tell me what I did wrong. I'm always ready for feedbacks. Like I said, I am always ready to learn as well. I learn every day. But thank you for sticking with me. Thank you for subscribing to All Things Flossy. And until the next recipe, I will see you later. Enjoy this fufu with me. Bye.
You know you go be mad at day. You go be mad at day. If you see my baby, yeah.